Hey, it's Mr. G, and we're going to be going over the vibrato today. The vibrato is basically playing a note on a guitar and kind of bending the pitch. You can pull a string down, you can push it up. There's different ways to make that vibrato. So you're basically changing the pitch of that note. And it's a very common technique used in the blues. And you can use all your fingers on your fretting hand to do the vibrato. Now, let me just show you kind of how the vibrato looks and sounds. Now, I'm going to be playing this A note on the third string, second fret of the third string with my index finger. Now, let me just play it normal, okay? And then let me play with a little vibrato. So as simple as that, I'm basically taking this index finger and I can pull it down. Or again, push it up. So you want to practice the strength or working on the strength of your fretting hand fingers in order to do that vibrato. Because it has some similarities to a bend, except you're not just holding it up or down like a bend would. Rather, you're kind of moving it around a little bit, back and forth. And again, you can use all your different fingers for vibrato, so you're going to want to practice on all of them. So, again, a vibrato is so common in guitar playing, and it'll add a lot of flavor to your music or your songs that you're playing, or when you're playing your riffs or your solos. So let's just do a little example here. How about this here? I'm just going to play a few notes, and we'll work on a few of our fretting hand fingers for this vibrato. So it's a pretty simple exercise. Basically, take your index finger and place it on the second string of the third fret there and play that note. So you're going to play that note and you're going to do a little vibrato on it. You'll pull that string up and down with the index finger. So you're going to play that note and just slide that note up, that finger up 2 frets to the second string, 5th fret. And play a little vibrato there. So you're working on that index finger there with this lick. And then slide that index finger up to the 8th fret of the second string, that G note there, and do a little vibrato there. Kind of like this. let's work on our ring finger. We'll play that note on the 10th fret of the 2nd string. See that? Just kind of vibrato that note there. So like this. So what we'll do then is we'll kind of play that little lick again. So I'll play that last note we're playing on the 2nd string, 10th fret. And just slide it down 2 frets to the 2nd string of the 8th fret. And just do a pull off there on the 2nd string on the 5th fret to the 3rd fret with the ring finger to the index finger. And you can kind of vibrato that index finger. And then place your middle finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret. Do a little vibrato. Slide it down 2 frets to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, again with the middle finger. Then take that middle finger and just kind of pull it off to the open G string or the open 3rd string. And play that middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. A little vibrato, pull it off. To the open D, that open 4th string. And place that middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, that B. Do a little vibrato. Pull it off. And then place that ring finger on the 6th string of the 3rd fret. And I'll play that note, vibrato. And play on that open E, just kind of pull it off that open E. Just kind of end it like this then. Play that open 6th string. Place that middle finger on the 5th string, 7th fret. Place that index finger on the 6th fret of the 4th string. And then place that ring finger on the 7th fret of the 3rd string. So again, I kind of played a few different ways, but the gist of it is just to get used to playing that vibrato. you can do different renditions of it, but just working on the vibrato, that's the key. Again, working that vibrato, play different notes on the, all the strings, low strings, high strings, lower frets, higher frets. Just kind of get it down. Use all your different fingers. Work on the strength of them. And yeah, man. So that's again, the technique is vibrato, and it's great for playing the blues. And keep on jamming.